Hey, how's everybody doing today? My name is Dominic, and I'm reporting at you live from the conference room. We're going to be having another very important business meeting today. Always remember throughout this business meeting that I'm not your financial advisor. This video is made for entertainment purposes only. Now, the ultimate goal for our YouTube channel is to come here to the conference room, have a business meeting, and the ultimate goal for our business meeting is to get rich. So go ahead and hit like, subscribe, notifications, all that. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this stock we're going to be talking about today, which is none other than Pioneer Power Solutions. Ticker symbol is PPSI. Now, today, they announced some big news, okay? An additional $6.2 million in contracts. So today we're going to be covering the news. And if you've been a loyal subscriber to my channel, you already know about Pioneer Power Solutions stock. We've been here for a long time. We've been here for almost a year. Okay. And I'm going to tell you the date. We're reporting at you live today on July 13th, 2023. The last time I covered Pioneer Power Solutions on my YouTube channel was for their earnings. I believe it was trading at between $3 to $4 a share. Today we're trading at around $8.50. So we're up substantially. We are up big time on our position here at the conference room. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at the news from today and see what we're working with from today from Pioneer Power Solutions. So Pioneer Power wins an additional $6.2 million in E-Block orders from new customers to support EV charging and microgrid applications. Pioneer Power Solutions, a leader in the design, manufacture, service, and integration of electrical power systems, distributed energy resources, power generation equipment, and mobile electric vehicle charging solutions, today announced that it has won approximately $6.2 million in E-Block orders from several new customers for new use cases during the second quarter. A major global designer and manufacturer of aerospace products and services is deploying Pioneer Power's E-Block solution at its services and maintenance facility in the southeastern United States. The customer ordered a customized E-Block solution, enabling the utilization of supplemental power sources such as solar to support the customer's premier U.S. facility. Additionally, 3 solar-centric developers will utilize E-Block to support applications ranging from pure microgrids to enabling supplemental solar power for EV charging. The CEO had to say, our innovative and highly customizable E-Block solution continues to expand its customer base and power new use cases. Customers like these come to Pioneer Power with unique challenges and energy needs, and we can utilize E-Block's modular design to quickly design, deliver, and support specialized, complex, and large electrical applications. E-Block's design also allows us to seamlessly control multiple sources of power, including green energy. These wins, all booked during the second quarter, support our expectations of continued revenue growth throughout 2023 and 2024 and speak to consistent, strong demand, especially from our solar customers. Okay. So they just booked an additional $6.2 million in E-Block orders from new customers to support EV charging and microgrid applications. So go ahead and take a look at this press release for yourself. This was just announced today on July 13th, 2023. Big order. This company, they keep raking it in with these E-Boost and E-Block EV chargers. Let's go ahead. This is their website for the E-Boost EV chargers. They have 4 different models for these EV chargers. Let me scroll down here and show you what they're working with and why they continue to keep raking it in and getting additional orders in the millions of dollars. Okay, so they have the E-Boost Mini. They have the E-Boost GOAT, which is the generator on a truck, the E-Boost Mobile, and the E-Boost Pod. Okay. I would like to know which one of these models they're selling the most. But they have a niche to the market. They have the E-Boost generator on a truck, which is basically like a mobile segment. So if a company just is having an event, a big party, and they want to have EV chargers there for one day, or let's say like a baseball stadium or football stadium or something like that, they could bring out the EV chargers for one day or 1 week, whatever the customer wants, and they could be out of there. And this is why I believe the company just keeps raking it in, because they're offering something that most EV charging companies are not. Okay, which is what we call a niche to the market. So let's go ahead and take a look over at the stock. Today it is up around 15% on the news. But last time I covered this stock was around $3, between $3 and $4. I covered their earnings, great earnings. Okay, they have a backlog for this year, 2023, I believe. Okay, don't quote me on this. Between $40 and $45 million, which they are projecting from last year's revenue is going to be 50% growth. Okay. So between $40 and $45 million is what they're saying they're going to bring in revenue for the full year 2023. And they're projecting they're going to do an additional 50% revenue growth in 2024. And this company is profitable. They have no debt. Quoting the CEO, he says, "We have no debt, not even a copier lease." Okay. So what makes stocks go up is profit, earnings per share, and no debt. Okay. If they are bringing in revenue, but they have debt, that's not really a good thing. But Pioneer Power Solutions has zero debt. Okay. That's why the stock is up almost 200% over the past couple months. Okay. I think it hit a low of around $2.50 or something like that. Today we're trading at $8.50. And if we go and take a look over at the max chart, I believe the highest this stock has ever been was around $15 or something like that. I believe that we can blast through it. And this stock has the potential to be like the next Plug Power. If you guys have been around in the stock market for a while, you know that Plug Power went from $2 a share all the way up to like $70 a share. Now this stock has a low float, very low float. I believe the float is around 7.5 million shares. If you don't know what the float means, that means the amount of shares that are available to trade to the public. This stock has massive potential. So go ahead and take a look over this press release for yourself. Take a look at their earnings. Leave a comment down below what you think of this stock. Tell your friends and family about the channel. I'm invested in all different stocks. Okay, EV charging, oil and gas. I even own a women's clothing stock. Okay, so if you want to go take a look over at my other videos, I'm invested in a lot of different sectors. Okay, so go ahead and take a look over at my other videos. Take a look over at my other videos for Pioneer Power. They have millions and millions of dollars in signed contracts they're delivering. They're working for one of the nation's largest automakers. They're also working for one of the nation's largest merchandisers or retailers. And through my due diligence, it could be Walmart, it could be Target, it could be a lot of other retailers. They haven't announced the name yet. They probably have a confidential agreement with their customers, which a lot of my stocks do that. Their customers do not want to let their competition know what they're doing. That's very common with the public markets. Okay, so go ahead and take a look over at my other videos. Pioneer Power, they have millions and millions of dollars of signed contracts, and I believe they're going to keep raking it in with these EV chargers. Like I said, they're offering something that a lot of EV charging companies are not. So, and I believe that this company could be an acquisition target for bigger companies. It's maybe the automaker they're working for wants to buy them out. But if that doesn't happen, this company's going to keep growing like crazy. They're going to keep growing like crazy. And guess what's going to happen to the stock price? It's going to keep growing like crazy. It's going to break all-time highs. It's going to go to the moon. All right. So leave a comment down below, hit like, subscribe, and always remember that the ultimate goal for this YouTube channel is to get rich.